Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by protecting yourself and the crawl space. Put on gloves, eye protection, and a dust mask because debris and insulation fibers are common. Once done, measure the vent opening so you have the correct replacement size. Use 1/2 accuracy. Next, loosen fasteners or pry out old screen clips. Use a screwdriver or snips if the screen is stapled. Make sure to support the frame so it doesn't bend as you remove the damaged material. You cut the new mesh, allowing about 1/2 inch overlap on every side to ensure a snug fit. Then position the screen and secure it. Staples work on wood frames, stainless screws with washers for metal, or use a retaining strip for a clean install. As you fasten, keep the mesh taut to prevent sagging or gaps. Make sure to seal the outer edges with exterior-grade caulk or flashing tape so moisture and insects can't sneak in. You trim any excess mesh and inspect for gaps by shining a flashlight from inside. Daylight leaks show weak points. Once satisfied, reinstall any louvers or covers and restore HVAC fans. If you still see drafts or sagging, tighten fasteners or add another retaining strip. If the frame is rusted or rotten, replace or reinforce it with a metal patch before reinstalling the screen. This prevents repeat failure and explains why your old.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.